Not too long ago, I bought this 3D printer and I made the brilliant decision to put the thing in my video studio. So every time that I want to record a video and the printer is running, you will hear this annoying sound. Hi, I'm Vincent, and today I want to talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, how to combine various functions in the same space. I'm not going to talk about the virus, or social distancing, or the fact that hand sanitizer makes for a perfect alternative to toilet paper, because I don't have anything useful to add. But I do want to talk about a side effect of the various lockdown scenarios that are found all over the world. A lot of people that usually work from an office now have to work from home. Granted, most of us have the technological means to do so. We all have a computer of sorts and are connected to the internet. Collaboration apps are plentiful and everyone is just a phone call away. And some people even have a full-on home office because they already were home-based employees a couple days a week. But these days, also people that usually rely on the ability to go to the office, where all facilities are taken care of, have to work from home. Sometimes combining their work with tutoring their kids, walking the dog, plan grocery shopping and accumulated chores around the house, not to mention the amount of paperwork involved in keeping track of the toilet paper that's being used. Thank goodness we don't have to visit all our friends and family. So what's the elephant in the room? Well, besides the obvious distractions everyone has to endure, alongside claims of improved efficiency, it's ergonomics. Most houses are not suited to accommodate a family that also has to work and study there and often have to take care of sick family members. I already made an in-depth video addressing the types of ergonomics that are out there. With regards to the ergonomics of houses that need to combine an office and a school while retaining the comforts of a warm and safe home is challenging. Average houses get small quickly, especially when you have to stay at home, inside, all the time. Now, I can't say I have the ultimate and epic solution for all these problems, but I do have a couple of small tips that might have a big impact on your everyday comfort. Let's start with one, space. Not everyone has the luxury to dedicate a separate room for work and homeschooling. But that doesn't mean that your house has to transfer into a big messy pile of everything. At the beginning of the day, place your work stuff on the table and get to it. And at the end of your work day, put it all in a box or a bag and place it somewhere out of sight. It might seem a lot of work each day, but keep in mind you already saved a lot of time not having to travel back and forth from your office. This daily routine will also help with your work-life balance. When the computer is out of sight, you are less likely to be triggered and check your email. When your computer is standing on the kitchen table, you are probably less likely to bake a cake. Secondly, posture. Working from home inspires some people to experiment with their working posture. While this can feel liberating, I can guarantee you that by the end of the day you will be exhausted. There are a couple of basics. Sit at your dining or kitchen table and check if your elbow is at about the same height as the tabletop. Is your table a bit too high? Try placing a pillow on your chair. Your screen should be about an arm's length away from you. Small laptops might prove challenging to keep a clear sight on text. Also, try to keep the keyboard at a comfortable distance. A cheap separate keyboard will do wonders for your neck and your shoulders. You can also raise your screen so that you can look straight ahead. But most importantly, keep moving. Take plenty of breaks, drink lots of water and stimulate blood circulation. Thirdly, time. Working at an office means that you have to arrive at a certain time and that you can leave at a certain time. Working from home doesn't always require you to work at set hours. Although I do recommend to work at set times, not everybody is most productive in the early morning or late in the afternoon. So if possible, work at times that you feel productive. Personally, I prefer waking up at 10 a.m. Never gonna happen, lazy bastard. But I also love to work from 9 p.m. till 1. The peacefulness of the night without any distractions makes me fly through work. Also, communicate with everyone in the house that you are working. A lot of frustration can be eliminated if everyone is on the same page. We find ourselves in challenging times, and a lot of what's happening is out of our control. But improving the things that we can control is both satisfying and productive. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned, or rather subscribe, because next time I'm gonna flex this puppy in your face. See you next time. Bye.